Good afternoon. So normally when we are working on Market Cloud, we want to know what are the features available in that version. For that, we have a feature readily available in our application. So go to My Enterprises. Then, so suppose we are working on uh, like which version. So you are working on 23D. I want to know the features of 23D. Uh, Go to new features. So that suppose I want to know for the procurement. Procurement. Then so whatever the features available in 23D, so we'll get from this here. Okay. So this is the one way to get the what are the features available of this version. Okay. Same thing. Same thing. Like suppose I want to know available features also. Uh, what are the available features available of all the versions? So from that we will get from the available features. You can also get download the report also. Okay. So this is one of the easy to know the latest features available for this version. So go to the new features. Suppose I want to know all the features available from all the versions. You have to go to available features. Okay. So this is another way to know the availability of features from an application itself. Okay. So if you have any doubts on this, how to know the features which is available on the version which are working, you can ping me on YouTube comment section so that I can reply back. Thank you.